This is Samarth practicing Sahaj Yoga, and this is a very unique meditation founded by Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi in the year of 1970. In this meditation, a seeker or a person who wants to meditate can easily get into the state of meditation. So, when we talk about meditation, we have to understand the system which is placed within us. We have 7 energy centers and 3 channels, the right side, the left side, and the central side, where all the chakras are present. Whenever we want to meditate, it is important for us to awaken the divine energy which is there within us. Normally, in a human being, this energy is in a dormant state, in a sleeping state, but when it is awakened, we automatically get into a state of meditation. Meditation also we all misunderstand. We think meditation is to do something with our breathing, something to do with concentration, or something to do with taking mantras. But in the true sense, meditation is getting to know your inner self, to get into the state of thoughtless awareness. Now, when we talk about thoughtlessness also, people think how can we be without thoughts? Because generally it happens so that without thoughts, how can we survive? But when you meditate, this state is when you are completely thoughtless but completely in your awareness. It can be achieved with the awakening of the Kundalini, which we say, which is a mother energy, and it is easily possible in Sahaj Yoga meditation. So, if you look onto the benefit side, as we know, human beings deal with emotional, mental, spiritual, psychological aspects. Sahaj Yoga gives a balance in all these aspects. So, once we meditate, we can enjoy that state. It's not necessary we have to meditate for an hour or so, but sometime in the morning and sometime in the evening, you can meditate. Now, I being a teenager, a youth of 20 years, I have been practicing Sahaj Yoga since my childhood, and it's really been a great journey, because sometimes we as teenagers, we have lot of problems to face. Might be it is peer pressure, might be it is stress due to our exams, might be it is some tensions we have in our family. But when we meditate, the dynamism what we are blessed with from inside, it's the power which is inside, not from the outside. So the power which is inside us guides us, and we are more balanced and we become a dynamic personality. So I personally request, because youth we generally tend to see in meditation in a different way. We feel why to meditate. But believe me, this is the time you need to meditate, because this is the time we face lot of problems. And so I would conclude by saying that take a chance, try out Sahaj Yoga and get back to us. Thank you.